Hey guys, it's the Red Wizard. Everybody has been asking me, where can I find cool collage making materials, or how can I get started collaging? So I came up with a fun solution. I created a totally free 5-page collage kit that you could print right at home or at your favorite photo store or whatever. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this totally free collage kit and show you how to make a collage with it. To get your free Surreal collage kit, go to redwizardcollage.com, press enter, and over here on the left in my menu you will see something that says collage kits. Click on that and click on free Surreal collage kit. I will be making more in the future, so stay tuned. Now this is a PDF, which means it's optimized to print very easily at home or your favorite photo store. All right, let's look at what you got. We have the cover page here. This whole kit can be cut up. I included 2 full background sheets. You can cut these up to make smaller ones, but I'm going to use these as they are. One thing I would love you guys to do is post, tag, and share your creation that you make with your kit by using hashtag RedWizardKit. I think it'd be really fun for us all to share with each other what we made out of this kit, because I think no matter what we do, everyone's going to have a totally different vision. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors and a glue stick. I'm going to pick out a background here. I think I'm going to go with this one for now. One trick I always have is do a quick cut around the object that you're planning to cut out first. That way you're not wrestling around with this big old piece of paper. And you can do a finer cut, like so. Notice I always turn the paper, not the scissors. My scissors stay stationary as I cut. Okay. One thing I always do with my background sheets is I use it as a tray. Maybe I'm thinking of putting this here. Okay. For now, I'm going to move this out of the way. One reason why I put these colored backgrounds is because the halos around the objects, if you do leave any, can be super cool as well. Or if I want to, I can say cut out random like abstract shapes from the background and use them as part of my composition. And you'll notice as I'm composing my collage, I do not glue, because I might want to move the things around. Glue very last once I'm done with my once I'm happy with my composition. I included the TV so you could work with some negative space as well, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to cut the inside out of the TV. If you don't have an Xacto knife, I'll show you a little trick. Don't hurt yourself. Take your scissors, pop a hole in there. Kind of spiral out, and then you can cut out the screen. One of my more popular TikToks was of me cutting out the screen of a TV. To do straight cuts, I usually open my scissors wide, kind of line it up along the line, and I always cut into the picture a little bit rather than leave extra space. I wonder if I could cut this guy out and make it look like he's messing with the TV. I think I'm going to try that. Thought that was a pretty cool way to use some of that background color I provided in the kit. But let me show you guys how I glue. I'm going to use the back of one of my collage kit pages as a placemat for my gluing. You always want to start from the very back layer forward. But I do make an exception for when I need to assemble some pieces. For example, this TV is 2 pieces, and I want to put this together before I put it on this background here. So I'm going to take this apart. And my goal here is to just put enough glue on here to put this piece on. So, do you see the magic of using a placemat to glue? Now I don't have to worry about getting any glue on my surface. Great. Now I have one nice functional piece. This goes behind that guy's hand, so I am now going to apply this. Glue stick gives you a couple seconds, maybe about 4 or 5 seconds, where you could easily slide your piece around too and line it up where you want it. That's another reason why I like it. So there's one complete collage that I made using my free Red Wizard kit. Pretty cool, right? Now don't forget, please share your collages with me and everyone else in the Red Wizard community by using the hashtag RedWizardKit. Thanks so much, guys. you.